Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Split up to cover more ground since this is an emergency. Roy, listen. Check the shoreline and the harbor.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Look out!
Met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
Just sitting around while my town has a hurricane? I'm going to prove to you that I'm strong enough to do my job.
Ya hoy suficiente.
Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Need to jump in now, man.
What's taking this guy so long? Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
I hereby dub thee.
These folks are gonna get a kick out of meeting Hutch, boy.
Who's Hutch? Oh, not.
Mainan?
Yeah, Finn?
We're not here to go shopping.
Shop? What do you mean?
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was. Hey! Tito! It's not.
What could be keeping the boss? Boss?
Why aren't you moving?
I thought I'd refuel Hawaii, but
Hawaii is 375 miles southwest of here. Listen, crop hopper.
Well, then race for me. Tax. Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race. What?
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dave. Get it up!
Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Hello, Pete. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man!
What
interrupt.
No, it's all right. I just wanted to come down here and to personally thank you.
Got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really?
Bet you're...
This is Lightning McQueen. I can handle anything.
Mater,